At Hilton Grand Vacations, we deliver vacation dreams.
Our focus is to inspire people to go further and share more.
In the hospitality business, team member engagement is the holy grail. It's trying to get your people passionate, focused, and delivering on the dream.
When we started to go through the early part of the pandemic, we did have to make the unfortunate decision to temporarily suspend our operations.
Teams was transformative for the COVID-19 challenge. It allowed us overnight to collaborate, challenge each other, and create protocols, which allowed us to open up safely, so much faster than many of our peers. It's allowed us to connect corporate right to the first-line team member, opening up engagement.
It allows us to get the information we need to provide that outstanding hospitality to our guests. It's like boom, 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 get the answer, it's there. You feel more connected to your company.
Teams really empowered the team member scheduling process.
In the past, our managers were spending so much time to put a schedule together. In Teams, everything happens instantaneously.
Shifts is on my phone. I can see what I'm working for like the whole week. I can see if it changes. I can even switch with people.
Our engineering teams and our housekeeping teams are able to work together to share pictures, to improve the actual guest room suite experience in a very quick way. All of our owner feedback is available in Teams, and all of our team members can fully see exactly how we're performing.
The metrics are about customer service, and satisfaction levels have never been higher. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of social, but it's also business. So it really allows people to connect outside of their normal working environment and connect across the globe, sharing best practices, sharing relationships, or just sharing a good picture.
I feel what I can accomplish here has no limits, and everybody's here to support me and help me get to my career goals. And I think that that's really important in a place that you work.